the fastest creature in the universe. What do you think is the fastest animal in the universe? A lion, a cheetah. The animal which is even faster than these is the Buraq, which is an animal from paradise. This is the heavenly animal which was used as a mount by the Prophets alayhimus salam. Sayyiduna Sulaiman ibn Dawood alayhimus salam was given such a wind through which a month's distance could be covered in the morning and the same in the evening. But in just one night on this Buraq, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam not only reached the seventh heaven but also offered Fajr Salah in the Batha valley of Makkah. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was presented a white Buraq as a mount on the night of Ascension, whose reign was held by Sayyiduna Israfil alayhi salam, whereas the stirrup was held by Sayyiduna Jibreel alayhi salam. It was an animal smaller than a mule and bigger than a donkey. It had two wings on its thighs, with the help of which it moved its legs. It was so fast that its one step reached the farthest point of its sight. Whenever it went upwards, its hind legs extended, and whenever it went downhill, its front legs extended so that the rider would remain in a straight position. It is narrated that a feminine pronoun has been used for it, which implies that it was a female.